we're talking about real combination lamps. So the most important thing is to have a unique homogeneous illumination on the surface. The big disadvantage of an LED is it's a point light source. It's a lovely technology for everything you want to project on the front of your car. But in the rear of the car, you really want to have some kind like a display. And therefore, a surface technology like the OLED is the best thing you can do. It's flat, it's white-lated, it is wonderful, homogeneous. As you can see here, you have a wonderful chance to play with contrast ratios very close to each other. And therefore, all of our design ideas at Audi can be displayed on such a kind of OLED from OLEDWorks.
The idea was to understand, okay, what is possible with this OLED technology. What we knew is that we will get very homogeneous light. That was very interesting then for our styling also, that there was a possibility to make it really flat. And when we started, I think you remember this swarm, it was a three-dimensional, I would say the complete rear of the car, and it was one big display and all these functions were moving. That was actually the original vision that our styling guys had when I told them, yes, we can do something with OLEDs. And that was actually then the idea to say, okay, how can we get from this flat, easy thing actually to something three-dimensional, and that's actually what you can see here. We have this dynamics and all of this, it's already now, that's what we have here. That was one part of the vision, and the other part of the vision was, of course, we wanted flexible. The main thing is, of course, safety informations, because our cars are connected. We know, we have much more information from our navigation system. We have information from other cars. The cars are communicating via Wi-Fi. So we know something that's happening in the form, and we can give this information to other cars that don't have this car-to-car communication. But we can give this information to them, and we can save lots of seconds. And if you can save 1 second of reaction time, it's totally great. And we could save many seconds by just giving this information to other cars behind us. And that makes life safer for our drivers, but also for the drivers behind us. So it's safety for all. And that's something that's, it's possible with this communication items, and that's why it's something that we try to push.
How about amber? I've heard a lot about amber in healthcare and medical. Is that something that's being developed?
Yeah, actually we're excited about amber in the healthcare space, but also automotive. So these are another complementary product across multiple market segments. We really like the idea of using amber because there's no blue wavelength at all in our amber, and that amber really is a very healthy light source for way lighting in the evening, and certainly for children's rooms where they have more issues with blue light.
And you mentioned the crossover from general lighting to automotive, so, talk a little bit about that for us. And do you see a lot of crossover of the products in the product development from automotive to general lighting and vice versa?
Yeah, the technology really is complementary across multiple market segments. So we view ourselves as an OLED company, not really an automotive OLED company or a general lighting OLED company, but instead an OLED company. We like to leverage our knowledge of that technology across those multiple market segments. Amber is a good example, but even the segmentation, to be able to use segmentation in a general lighting luminaire, certainly very possible, and something that I think I'm looking forward to help innovate in general lighting as well.
In Aachen, Germany, we have the production capacity to produce these panels in the required automotive quality. We can serve with our scalable capacity even more platforms, more customers. And one enabler can be also the driver, which is developed by ST Microelectronics, which is like a plug-and-play system, easy to use, and can be adapted also with other panels, as you can see it here.
With this flexible OLEDs, the big advantage, as you can see, you can fit it a bit more to the contour and the surfaces of our cars. And of course, the big vision would be, okay, take it on the rear, glue it on there, and that's it. Maybe in a few years we also get something like this, and then we have a complete foil on the rear of the car. Maybe it's a big objective for the future.